Welcome back to Quiz Splash, where every question hits hard. Tonight, we're diving into the world of Stranger Things. Watch till the end, pick your side, and drop your choice in the comments. Let's see who survives on Quiz Splash. You must live in one place forever, Hawkins or the Upside Down. Your closest friend can only be 1, 11, or Dustin. You're forced to face one monster, Demogorgon or Mind Flayer. One thing is taken from you, your powers or your best friend. You can eat only one forever, Eggo waffles or Scoops Ahoy ice cream. You're trapped for a night, the lab or the mall. You gain one ability, telekinesis or mind reading. You survive one horror, being hunted or being possessed. You get one season summer at Starcourt or a night in the Upside Down. You must trust one person, Brenner or Vecna. You adopt one personality, Dustin's humor or Steve's confidence. One becomes your parent, Hopper or Joyce. One thing disappears, electricity or sunlight. You must choose keeping a demodog as a pet or never sleeping again. One lifestyle forever, riding bikes or walking everywhere. You spend a year inside the Upside Down or in Hawkins. You suffer one fate, Vecna's curse or lab experiments. You get one item, Max's headphones or Lucas's slingshot. You hide from danger, the junkyard or the forest. You endure one fear, temporary possession or constant chasing. You unlock one power, invisibility or super strength. You take one job, Hawkins Lab or Starcourt Mall. You get trained by Steve babysitting you or Hopper toughening you up. You're trapped, the elevator or the underground tunnel. You lose one thing, your phone or your friends. You escape one nightmare, a Demogorgon chase or a Russian base breakout. You live in one time period, the 1,980 seconds or today. You choose one power only or no powers ever. You experience one terror, Vecna visions or the Mind Flayer's shadow. You're questioned by Nancy or by Robin. You're trapped with someone, Eddie or Vecna. You're starving, you eat lab food or upside down food? You make a choice, never leave Hawkins or never return? You get either one true friend or a full friend group? You become known famous hero or secret protector? You lose something your memory or relive your worst memory? You hang out skating with Max or biking with Mike? You wear one outfit, the Scoop's uniform or a Hellfire shirt? You face a decision, hide a secret forever, or reveal a dangerous truth? You explore at night the haunted house or abandoned lab? You gain a power teleport once or fly briefly? You lose one sense hearing monsters or seeing them? You're on patrol at night or during the day? You must rely on your instincts or science? You face danger, a Vecna countdown or a Demogorgon ambush? Disaster strikes, an upside-down storm or a Hawkins blackout? You suffer one injury, breaking a bone or losing your voice? You can save only one friend or the entire town? You relive one season, season 1 or season 4? You face fear, being brave but scared or calm but doomed? That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.